I'm Oliver Kiker,
I'm Eris Filoni.
I'm Jordan Wolf.
and we all go to school at Elon University in North Carolina in the United States of America. I think I had a basic understanding of my impact to our environment before today, but today opened my eyes to a lot of new things and from a European perspective that is new and refreshing.
We've had a couple sustainability talks at Elon, so I think that I knew something about carbon literacy from those, but it definitely opened my eyes to more of the specifics of it and what I need to look into more in the future.
Where I had a very surface level kind of idea of what it all was, and now, especially being in Europe, I learned a lot more about how it is in Italy and what I'm doing that affects the carbon literacy in Europe.
I think after getting to Europe to begin with, I already started to think more about my carbon impact. Even trying to recycle and throw away garbage is so much different here than it is in the United States. And I think after today's lesson from our professor, it really opened my eyes to all of the other ways that I can continue to make improvements in my life to make sure that future generations have a healthy planet to live at.
On top of what we learned today, just taking the applications that we've been practicing while we're here and applying them to the States is going to be super helpful in the future.
Yes, I'll definitely be changing what I do, especially while I'm in Europe. And on top of what they both already said, one of the big things that stood out is where I can buy groceries here, because I'm here for 4 months, so I'm going to be grocery shopping. And changing up where I buy food and focusing on where the food is actually coming from is a big change that I can make to my daily routines to ensure that I'm contributing to a healthy environment.
Bye.